Dear students, chapter number 2, numbers and sequence, exercise number 2.4 la question number 2 பார்க்க போறோம். Find the first 4 terms of the sequence whose nth terms are given by. First problem, an is equal to n cube minus 2. Second problem, an is equal to minus 1 to the power n plus 1, n into n plus 1. Third problem, an is equal to 2n square minus 6. Solution, tn is equal to given என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க an is equal to n cube minus 2. So n ஓட value 1 first substitute பண்றோம். That is equal to n ஓட value 1 cube minus 2. That is equal to 1 cube வந்து 1 minus 2. இப்போ 1 minus 2 bigger number sign தான் போடுவோம். 1 minus 2 வந்து minus 1 ஆயிரும். a2 is equal to 2 cube minus 2. That is equal to 2 cube ஓட value என்னது 8. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. a3 is equal to 3 cube minus 2. அப்போ 3 cube ஓட value என்னது 27 minus 2 is equal to 25. a4 is equal to 4 cube minus 2. That is equal to 4 cube ஓட value 64 minus 2 is equal to 62. Therefore, the first 4 terms are minus 1, 6, 25, 62. இதா வந்து the first one ஓட answer. Second problem, an is equal to minus 1 to the power n plus 1 into n into n plus 1. So n ஓட value வந்து 1 substitute பண்ணுவோம். அப்போ a1 is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. n ஓட value 1 substitute பண்ணிங்கன்னா 1 into 1 plus 1 வரும். அப்போ என்ன எழுதனா minus 1 the whole square into 1 1 plus 1 2, that is equal to 2 ஒரு answer. Next n க்கு 2 substitute பண்ணுறோம். a2 is equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 substitute பண்ணலாமா? அப்போ minus 1 to the power 3 into 2 into 3 is equal to minus 6. 3 2s are 6. Minus 1 to the power 3 வந்து minus 1 தான். அப்போ minus 6 எழுதிக்கலாம். a3 is equal to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. Minus 1 to the power 4 into 3 into 4 is equal to என்ன வரும்? ஈவன் நம்பரில் minus 1 to the power இருக்குன்னா ஆன்சர் வந்து பாசிட்டிவாக வரும். into 3 into 4 அப்போ 12. a4 is equal to minus 1 to the power 4 plus 1 into 4 plus 1. என்னோட value 4 substitute பண்ணிருக்கோம். minus 1 to the power 5 அப்போ minus 1 வந்துரும். into 4 into 5 அப்போ 20 minus 20 வந்துரும். minus 1 to the power 5 வந்து minus 1 into 5 into 4 வந்து 20 minus 20 வந்துரும். Therefore, the first 4 terms are 2, minus 6, 12, minus 20. This is the answer for the second sum. an is equal to 2n square minus 6. அப்போ n க்கு 1 substitute பண்ணுங்க. a1 is equal to 2 into 1 square minus 6. That is equal to 2 minus 6. அப்போ என்ன வரும்? 2 minus 6 வந்து minus 4. a2 is equal to 2 into 2 the whole square minus 6. That is equal to 2 into 4 8. அப்போ 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Next n equal to 3. a3 is equal to 2 into 3 square minus 6. That is equal to 2 into 9 18. 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. Next என்னோட value வந்து 4. அப்போ a4 is equal to 2 into 4 the whole square minus 6. அப்போ 2 into 4 square என்ன வரும்? 16. அப்போ 16 into 2 32 minus 6 is equal to 26. Therefore, the first 4 terms are minus 4, 2, 12, 26. This is the answer for the third sum. Thank you students. Next problem la meet பண்ணுவோம்.